Unwrapping idioms. Sticking one's nose up. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom. Sticking one's nose up. This phrase is packed with meaning and is a brilliant example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. The phrase, sticking one's nose up, is used to describe someone who is showing disapproval or contempt for something. It implies that the person is acting superior or too good for a particular situation, person, or object. Imagine someone physically lifting their nose into the air as if to say they don't approve of what's in front of them. That's the essence of this idiom. Using sticking one's nose up in conversation is all about context. It's typically used in a negative sense to criticize someone's behavior or attitude. For example, he stuck his nose up at the idea of eating street food, preferring fancy restaurants instead. She sticks her nose up at anyone who doesn't share her taste in music. When you use this phrase, it's important to remember that it conveys a strong opinion about someone's elitist or snobbish behavior. To help you grasp this idiom better, let's look at a few examples. 1. At a party, when offered homemade cake, John stuck his nose up and asked for something gluten-free. 2. Discussing movies, Maria sticks her nose up at horror movies, claiming they're all the same. 3. In fashion, he stuck his nose up at the thrift shop clothes, insisting on wearing only branded apparel. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, highlighting disapproval or a sense of superiority. Understanding idioms like sticking one's nose up can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more vividly. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our language, offering a window into the cultural nuances that make English so interesting. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English idioms.